So friends, let's see today's Katachi Amti. Now here I've taken 2 cups of chana dal, washed it really well and soaked it in 3 cups of water for 6 hours. After 6 hours, I'm going to pressure cook this for 1 whistle on high and then simmer it or keep it on a low flame for 15 minutes. Now once it completely cools, I'm going to put it into a colander or a sieve like this with a vessel down, and I'm going to cover it with a lid and put some heavy weight on it for about 4 to 5 hours till all the water drains out. Now this water which collects we're going to use for our Katachi Amti, and the chana dal we're going to use to make puran and puran puri. So this is the dal water that we collected, which we are going to use for our Katachi Amti. Now besides that, we have other few ingredients. Let me take you through the ingredients. These are 4 dried red chilies or Kashmiri chilies, 1 tablespoon of dry coconut which is grated, 1 tablespoon of dhania seeds or coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds, about 15 peppercorns. This is about 4 cloves or lavang and half an inch of cinnamon or dalchini. So these are our spices. Now I'm just going to dry roast these spices in a pan on a low to medium flame, just stirring them so that they get evenly roasted. And keep roasting them for about a minute till the color of the grated coconut changes to a light brown. Now keep your flame on low to medium. Don't do it on a high flame, otherwise your coconut will get burnt. So roast this till you get the lovely aroma of all the spices. It will look like this, and let it cool down completely. Then we're going to transfer it to our mixer jar. Use a dry mixer jar. Ensure that the mixer jar is completely dry, and then we're going to put all these roasted spices into our mixer jar, and we are going to grind this to a very, very fine powder. So our powder should look like this. Now you can set this powder aside in a small bowl, and then we'll continue with the amti. Now I've taken a pan and I've added my dal water to the pan, and I'm going to heat the pan. Now to this dal water I'm going to add 5 amsulas or kokums, 1 tablespoon of gur or jaggery. I'm going to stir this and I'm going to bring this to a gentle boil till the jaggery dissolves. Just keep on stirring till the jaggery or the gur dissolves. It should take you about a minute or so till all of the jaggery dissolves. Now once the jaggery dissolves, we're going to add 1.5 teaspoon of goda masala. Now this is my homemade goda masala. I will leave a link to the recipe below. And now I'm going to add all our roasted and ground spice powder that we just prepared. I'm going to add that. See how the color of the amti changes, and as it boils it will thicken and it will also become a nice dark brown color. Now we're going to add some salt to taste. Now you can add a little more water also if you want it to be very, very fine and watery. It's up to you. And now we're just going to mix in the salt and let this mixture, this dal, come to a gentle boil on a low flame. You can keep on stirring in between. So let this boil. Now you can give it a taste to see if you want to add some more gur or some more salt. So let it come to a boil and just keep on stirring it in between. Now this is an amazing and delicious recipe, and it's mostly had during Holi because you make the puran pogi or the puran, and the water is left over. You don't want to get rid of the water, so you can make this beautiful amti. And now all we have to do is give a tadka or a fodni or some tempering. So I've taken my kadla or my tempering pan, and to that I've added 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'm going to make it nice and hot. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, which is called mohri or rai. Then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hinga once the mustard seeds begin to splutter. And I'm also going to add half a teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder. Now I'm going to add a few curry leaves, about 7 or 8 curry leaves. And I'm going to let the curry leaves fry, and then I'm going to turn off the heat of the tempering. Then I'm going to bring my dal back on, but I'm not going to put the flame on. The heat is off of the dal. All we have to do is now add this hot tempering into the dal. And that's it, guys. Your lovely Katachi Amti is ready. Just mix up the tempering so that it evenly, gets mixed with the amti. and your Katachi Amti is all ready. So it's delicious. Do try it out, guys. Also try out my puran pori recipe or the plain puran. I'll leave all links below. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.